Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 7 Deadly Sins Origin, not out yet globally until the 23rd of March, but let's talk about co-op raids. Now, once you're playing and you've unlocked multiplayer content, you'll find that the game's co-op system lets you join other players for some of the tougher challenges in the world. That includes large boss fights and special raid style encounters that are designed around working together rather than going solo. These co-op raids are part of the core multiplayer focus of the game. So they bring you into real-time cooperative battles against giant enemies where condition or coordination and team strategy really matter. To get into a co-op raid, you'll usually use the party or matchmaking menus in the multiplayer lobby. You can either invite friends to form a party or search for a squad that's already looking for players. Once you're in, the game will load you all into the same instance with a boss or raid challenge. Now, the key thing here is communication and synergy. Each player brings their own strengths, so whether someone's tanking, healing, or going full damage, you've got to watch the boss's tells and time your skills and bursts to help each other. And since these co-op battles scale with more players and often have mechanics that are easier to handle as a team, playing with friends or others online won't just make the fight more fun. It'll actually give you a huge advantage over solo attempts. And that's the whole point of these co-op features in Origin, to bring players together for the big fights that would be way tougher to tackle alone. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.